What's up, you guys? This is Marvin with New Hope New Home TV, and we are coming to you guys with another exciting property tour. I love house hunting. My babe loves house hunting as well. And so for today's episode, we are walking a beautiful open concept townhome here in Snellville, Georgia. You're not too far from the amazing scenic highway, which is a very just great part of the city, plenty of shops, plenty of restaurants, and you are in the coveted Brookwood School District here in Gwinnett County, Georgia. I'm super excited. Let's jump in and take a look at this open concept. Remember, guys, if you're interested in purchasing a home, you can purchase a home through us by giving us a call at 404-624-6127. And I'm Marvin with New Hope New Home TV and Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Let's get started. So guys, I really love this faux fireplace space right here. Very open, hardwood floors here. We were just speaking with the sales agent, and she said a lot of what you see here is standard on this particular property. The builder here is D.R. Horton, and I mean, just get a look at this. I mean, this is just amazing open space. It feels very warm. It doesn't really feel like you're in a town home per se. So as you see here with this, the tile on the wall, this is a nice touch here. Of course, you can mount your TVs here, and just a really open space, open seating. I mean, I definitely could see if you like to entertain, this being just an amazing space where everyone will still feel connected to what's going on. Game day, time with your girlfriends, whatever the case is, this space right here can definitely do it for you. Let's take a look at upstairs.
I don't even care that it's pink. It looks so pretty and beautiful.
Oh, so you want pink rooms in the future? Because you sure been falling in love with this pink.
Oh, it looks so pretty.
So I was just talking with the sales agent here, and she mentioned that all of the townhomes here are considered smart homes, and they come with Alexa and Ring doorbells. That's pretty awesome that this builder has thought enough about the fact that we're in 2021 to include a lot of very tech-savvy benefits in their homes as a standard benefit. So I like that. So this is a nice little area that you can come out here, enjoy the scenery here, come out here, have a cup of coffee, listen to some good music. You couldn't necessarily barbecue here, I wouldn't recommend that, but you might be able to fit a small enough grill here and get it done. But definitely you can come out here and just sip some iced tea, have a cup of coffee, and just enjoy nature. This is amazing that you're able to get into Brookwood schools. That's like one of the most coveted schools here in Gwinnett County. It's getting a little nippy, so let's head on back inside. But I really like that they put this in here because they didn't necessarily have to give you this much space in the form of a patio where you can actually literally walk out, maybe put some pots down here with some vegetables and flowers, but you literally can fit 2 rocking chairs out here and enjoy the evening. So you guys have enjoyed today's home tour. If you want to check out more content like this, as always, be sure to subscribe to New Hope New Home TV. I really am impressed with this particular townhome. It definitely gives you a lot of bang for your buck. You're not too far from downtown Atlanta at all. Super close to shops, and you're in an amazing school district. You really can't beat that. So as always, if you're interested in taking a look at homes here in the Atlanta area, please give us a call at 404-624-6127, and I'd be more than happy to assist you. Until the next episode, this is Marvin with New Hope New Home TV. Bye.